Porsche introduces its first fully electric sports car, the Taycan, to the public with a spectacular world premiere held simultaneously in Germany, Canada, and China. The Porsche Taycan is a four-door sports saloon offering typical Porsche performance and connectivity with everyday usability. At the same time, highly advanced production methods and features of the Taycan are setting new standards in the fields of sustainability and digitalization. The first models in the new series are the Taycan Turbo S and Taycan Turbo. They're at the cutting edge of Porsche e-performance and are among the most powerful production models that the sports car manufacturer currently has in its product range. The first derivative to be added will be the Taycan Cross Turismo at the end of next year, and by 2022, Porsche will have invested more than 6 billion euros in electromobility. The flagship Turbo S version of the Taycan can generate up to 560 kilowatts overboost power in combination with launch control, and the Taycan Turbo up to 500 kilowatts. The Taycan Turbo S accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.8 seconds, while the Taycan Turbo completes the sprint in 3.2 seconds. The Turbo S has a range of up to 412 kilometers and the Turbo a range of up to 450 kilometers. The top speed of both all-wheel drive models is 260 kilometers per hour. The Taycan is the first production vehicle with a system voltage of 800 volts instead of the usual 400 volts for electric cars. This is a particular advantage for the Taycan drivers on the road. In just over 5 minutes, the battery can be recharged using direct current from the high-power charging network for a range of up to 100 kilometers. The charging time for 5 to 80% SOC is 22.5 minutes for charging under ideal conditions, and the maximum charging power is 270 kilowatts. The overall capacity of the Performance Battery Plus is 93.4 kilowatts per hour. Taycan drivers can comfortably charge their cars with up to 11 kilowatts of alternating current at home.